back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Summer and I'm an online reseller. And today's video is part 2 of my Quicklotz Nordstrom General Merchandise half pallet unboxing. If you didn't catch the first video, go back and watch that one before you watch this one. And I still have my helper. This is Ethan. He is my son and he's helping me out today because this is a lot of work. I thought we got some pretty good things in the first box. I don't know. We'll see what's in box 2. More smushed hats. Yeah, we got a few smushed straw hats in the first one, so.
It smells good. I smell like a candle or something.
Oh, it does.
It's probably this.
This is a halogen.
Oh, yeah.
I need some tips on how to get these back
this is really broken.
shaped right again. Hang on, give me that other one. Hang on, you're getting ahead of yourself.
I know.
Give me that other hat. What is this one?
It smells good.
4th and Union. Again, it's smushed.
Another
So,
one.
yeah. Just some BP little kids bracelet making thingy.
Stickers.
Some BP stickers. Okay, so let's see what this is that you set up here. Yaya and Company. What is this? Looks like a sheet. But it has been, yeah, it's a set of sheets. It looks like it's been returned. I don't know.
What is this?
Oh my God, these are expensive. $240.
What are they made out of?
Jeez.
I feel like
No, they're pretty soft. Okay.
I feel like they're
I
hot.
don't. That box is pretty messed up. Here, set that over there.
More stickers.
Oh, self-heating ceramic mug.
More stickers.
Yoki mug. Is that how you say that? Ooh. Oh, that's nice.
More stickers.
Can't wait to look and see how much that retails for. What do you got over there? What are you putting over there?
Those are stickers.
This is just a hat.
What is this?
What team is this?
I don't know. I made mom.
This is baseball, I think.
I don't watch sports. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
It's a readable color.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I'll put it out.
What in the world?
I don't know.
I don't. Anybody know what that is?
This is stuck, Mama.
I don't know. Wait.
That's what's smelling. I bet you.
Yeah. So this was a scarf that got stuck on some Velcro. So it's pretty messed
This
up.
is leaking something.
Yeah.
It has oily stuff. No, but it's oily.
Was it in that bag though?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the candle is sweating.
Yeah. I might just keep that.
It smells
Yeah,
good.
just put that back in there. It's just a candle.
I like it. It's not going back on.
Oh wait, you don't have that oil on your fingers and touching everything.
No, it's not. It's clear. It's not like it's.
This is Voluspa.
Smells good. Oh, so tiny brush.
This is a dry bar.
Oh,
A dry bar,
use
Little
this
Lemon. Another. Look at these hats.
You have to get like a mannequin head.
God, how do you fix this?
Maybe like get like
Gotta
a
put heat on it. This is
look.
Treasure and Bond.
AirPods case. Okay,
Yeah.
AirPods case. It's like metallic.
Dude, don't take it out.
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna be selling this
Alright, so
stuff.
Oh,
It's like
sheets.
taking everything out.
Sheets.
I don't have to get back in there, but you can. Here, fix that. Another set of sheets.
These are nice. That's actually kind of feel soft.
Here's somebody's receipt.
Oh, these are probably candles or soap. It's not like soap.
Bath bombs.
Well, no.
It comes with a little bath fizz. Yeah, you scoop it out and put it in your water. And it comes with a little stand. That's cute. Gosh, this box is yeah.
Another candle. No wonder this box smells so good. Another candle.
Lime and ginger salt glow. Oh, this has been...
Oh, it's a wow. Oh, no, that's face stuff.
This isn't a candle. This is...
That's facial stuff. That's probably been used.
Yeah, I'm going to have to look into this to see what this is.
More stickers.
This may be some kind of...
more stickers.
Body scrub.
More of the same stickers.
Yeah.
A bunch of them.
Was that in there?
Where?
In that plastic bag?
What plastic bag?
That. Never mind. Headband. Some more leather gloves. Got a lot of these. And is that same scarf?
Yeah. You might as well just do that one.
Yeah, this one's messed up. That Velcro really... No, that's a different one. Another pair of leather gloves. Got a lot of those in the other box. This is just like some exercise gloves. That's what was getting stuck to everything. Another smushed hat. A Natori bra.
More stickers.
More hair scrunchies.
More stickers.
Here is some scarves. Another smushed hat.
More earmuffs.
Yep, more earmuffs. Got some of those in the first one.
Another light thing.
A halogen scarf.
Another light thing.
Yeah, we got a few of these in the other box. That's just a phone sanitizer UV light thing. Another smushed hat. Peter Grimm. Bunny headband.
Goggles.
Sleep well essential oils, but it's missing one. One of the bottles is missing. These are some ski gloves. Goggles. Ski goggles. Last chance sticker on them. Dragon.
Well, where'd the earmuffs go in this one?
They're probably somewhere in here. More earmuffs. Another scarf. Nordstrom rack scarf. Jewelry. Got a lot of jewelry in the other one too.
Whoa, these are...
Soul Society scarf. Some more headbands and hair clips. Hair scrunchies.
It goes this way. That's the back, this is the front.
Yeah, some jewelry.
Earrings.
No, that's wine charms. Wine bottle charms.
Jewelry in here.
Oh.
What?
That fell out.
Whoa, look at these tail ties.
I don't know what this is.
Look how big these tail ties are.
This was the only thing that fell out, and it's a smushed earring.
Tail tie. Look how big these are.
What?
Those tail ties.
Oh gosh.
Those are big.
That's those
Teletie things.
Teletie?
That's what I've heard they're called.
It's like those rubber band spiral ponytail holders. Jewelry.
Some more jewelry.
And here's a broken pair of earrings.
Oh no. Is it broken?
More
Is this broken?
jewelry. I don't know. I'll have to look at all this stuff really good. Missing earring.
You got some charms.
A bunch of jewelry.
Looks like charms.
Yeah.
Like the pen thing. Oh, like mini pins. Oh look, the little patches.
Yeah, patches.
Underwear. I just touched that.
No tags again. I just don't feel comfortable selling these. Well, no, these have a little plastic bar that's
these are soft.
Holding them together there, so maybe I can still sell these as not used.
Soft. It feels like it made out like a t-shirt.
Scrunchies.
Oh.
More scrunchies. I'm just gonna bundle all these to in little bundles. So it's like some kind of keychain.
Oh, I know what this is. I've seen this. So what you do is it's a special type of metal where like over an hour, it'll kill all the germs. So you open doors and things with it and you can press stuff. I've seen this before.
Oh yeah.
And it's a certain type of metal that after like an hour kills all the germs.
Y'all got that? An earring. This is a box to a
probably in here somewhere.
Nylon sports watch band.
Another one of these headbands
for the Apple Watch, but it's not in there. More pins, headbands.
Is this yarn or thread? Thread, I think.
What is this?
Body
wash.
What is this? Oh my gosh! That just poked me. I felt a needle.
More gloves.
Oh, it's one of those things for a pot. That needle poked me.
Oh yeah, it holds a
Watch out, that needle is gonna.
It holds a
fern, like a potted
plant. Yeah, it's good. They can see.
It keeps falling.
Another scarf.
Charm thing. We can make a bracelet.
A walk hole, tummy and thigh shaper.
Bracelet.
BP bracelet kit.
Headband.
Headband. Another silk handkerchief. Headband.
Oh, some slippers. Oh, that just fell.
Oh, these are hunter
so
slippers.
tiny.
These are
no, they're blanket.
These are hunter socks. They're hunter socks.
Oh.
Yes, so these are good. They're to wear with your hunter boots.
Oh, what is this? Is this a crayon?
Am I saying that right? Medina beanie.
More socks.
So the first box, there was a pair of avocado socks, and this is a pair of bacon socks. So he'll be keeping these two. Yep, another one of these makeup bags. Got one of those in the first one.
Crayon. This is not a young crayon.
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
There's a box, Mom.
There's some more underwear. No tag on them.
Merry and bright. Must be Christmas or something.
Hair clips.
I guess this
silk
is a
handkerchief.
face mask. What is that? Extra clean. What
is this?
Oh, it's you make like
the Floral Society Wreath Workshop. So I guess you make a wreath on it.
I just gave you the thing. Oh, what is this? Oh. What's in here? Oh, this is heavy.
Wait a minute, don't pull that out yet. Hang on.
What is it?
Hang on.
It says fragile, so it's probably glass. Is that more underwear?
It's broken.
It is?
Yeah.
What is it? Is it a lamp?
It's some kind of candle stand, but this one is broken. So.
What is this?
So,
what is this?
now this one's not broken. Maybe I can just sell one.
What is that?
It's like a,
so
this is a dog sweater.
Oh. That's a
Love Thy Beast.
Oh, this is a.
It's a dog tie-dyed.
That's another, I guess, gift card box. Ow, that cut my finger.
This is like one of those Bandeaus. Damaged.
Oh. Well,
yeah, this must be
here's
broken.
a watch thing.
I don't think that's to that other
I don't
one.
think it is either, but I thought it was.
A Kate Spade Apple Watch band, but it looks like...
It's like jewelry goes in here, but I don't know what jewelry goes in there.
It looks like one of the bands is missing, though.
It is this. I found it. It's this. It goes in here. It's this.
It's Tory Burch.
It comes in this little bag.
Well, that stinks. It's just got one side.
Wait, check in the...
It ain't in there.
Wait. Oh.
It's not in there, Ethan. Hang on. It's not in there.
It is in there.
Alright, let me see what you got in your hand. So this is a Tory Burch bracelet that he pulled out.
More of these little things.
That's nice.
There's the top to the earmuff. And it fell out.
Okay. More
that's a
wine
bra.
glass
That is a bra.
things.
Why is there so many underwear and stuff in here?
There's really not. There's only been
There's
a
like
few.
bras and stuff.
This is like some kind of tights. Yeah, I won't be doing anything with that.
This blue card.
NASA.
That's a cool thing.
NASA beanie. More jewelry.
More earmuffs. Oh, those are cool. Those are nice.
Hair clips. Hair clips.
Here.
Jewelry.
What is that?
Well, it's like a, I don't know, but it's dirty.
It is.
Nashville Bacomi. Looks like a, what do you call this?
For your credit,
Credit card wallet little thing.
like your license or whatever.
Jewelry. Kendra Scott. So that's good. Kendra Scott. I need to get me one of those heat gun things to get all these. Yeah, these are broken. To get all the price clearance stickers off. Now here's some Kate Spade. Well, it's just one Kate Spade.
Oh, you put the beads on the necklace.
Oh, there's, okay, wait a minute, it's down in the bag. This one is anyways, if it's not broken. Ooh, I think it's broken. Well, that sucks.
Another picture frame.
That's broken.
Got another picture frame.
That's probably like the other one.
Oh boy.
So all these are Kate Spade, but they're all missing the other earring.
A mask with a matching
They should have just thrown this in the trash. Why even send this? Every one of them, it's missing the other earring.
Underwear. Wow, what is that?
That sucks.
Well, this is just by itself. And the earring. I'm scared to touch anything. Thank you. What is this?
What are you throwing up here that I haven't looked at yet?
What's
A headband with a mask.
There's so many loose things in here. Like, what is this?
That's a cufflink. For your,
oh, I am talking
your shirt. Men's
what
shirt.
What does NY mean? New York?
This is some kind of earring food set that's got the beads in there you put on there. Sterling Forever.
And this is a oh, hand sanitizer.
Is this that one that you had?
Yeah, hand sanitizer in a bag. I don't know what this is.
This box isn't as good as the other one.
I don't know. There's not much stuff in here either. You got Waco sports bra.
More earrings. These must have been a return with the cups.
More earrings.
Yeah, more earrings.
And loose earring.
Brun Magley 100 wool and cashmere scarf.
Another earring.
$69.97.
Another loose earring.
And a loose earring.
I'm not touching that.
Hand sanitizer.
What is what is it?
It's a bag full of rings.
Let me see.
What is this? It looks like little dainty rings.
Yeah, there's like little rings.
Bagu? Does that even go with that? I don't even know. It might have been just something they put it in. Oh, a Nike sports bra. That's nice.
Gloves.
No tag.
You got a lot
Another
of
pair of gloves.
Oh, here's the other. No.
A Spanx sports bra. I'll take it. Earrings. A loose earring. Steve Madden earrings that's missing a hoop.
More gloves.
A Madewell bra.
More gloves.
That's good.
Oh, another glove. Well, a lonesome glove.
Yeah. Here's another one of these leaf bodysuits. I got one of these in the other box.
What is that?
This probably went under a dress of some sort because it doesn't have any kind of tags on it.
Yeah, you can finish that off. That's bras and panties.
So I don't think I'll do anything with that. This is a Victoria's Secret bra. No tags. It looks like it's been used, but it's okay. This is free press bra, but it has a stain on it.
A stain on the back.
I have no idea. I don't know. I might try to wash it.
That stain too.
What is this?
Ew,
One step ahead, right San Francisco. I think something might have got on this in the box.
I think it was the candle.
What is this?
I don't know, but it looks like
this looks
envelope.
Old. That looks vintage.
Oh, a belt.
I don't know.
Oh, more earrings. What is that brand? But it's a stretchy belt.
I don't know what that brand is.
Hey, if it's a men's brand, I can wear it for school.
It looks men's.
It does. Shoot, I could wear that.
I don't know what brand that is. Anybody know what brand this is?
I can wear it in my uniform.
Yeah. More earrings. And 2 pair of underwear. Again, has no tags on them, so I'm not going to try to sell that.
I don't know
that goes to one of those packs of gloves. So, I mean, they don't look used, but I just don't feel comfortable selling used underwear. So that's it for box 2. That box was not as good as the first one, but we have 2 more to go through. So yeah, so stay tuned for part 3, and thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you like watching videos about reselling. I like to document my reselling journey. So anyway, we'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.